What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a StockX discount code, and this is going to save you tons and tons of money off your next StockX order. Alternatively, it's also going to be able to get you some free shoes or clothing or anything from StockX. This method is by far the easiest and best, most reliable way of getting promo codes for StockX, and it only takes a few minutes. So before I start the tutorial, guys, if you could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. Now, I'm hiding my identity simply because StockX are going to hate me for this, but hey, I've already used this tons of times, so why don't I share it with the rest of my YouTube audience. So I'm going to quickly record my screen, and I'll put the screen over here somewhere, and hopefully you can follow along. So you need to go to your mobile phone internet, guys, and I'm just at Google here, and you just type in hot shot codes, all one word, and you can see at the top here we're looking for www.hotshotcodes.com, and this is the #1 coupon site. You can go directly to Hotshot Codes as well if you just type in the domain in the internet and you're looking for this page. Now, because we're looking for StockX discounts codes, you simply need to scroll down this page, guys, until you find the StockX logo. So just keep scrolling down here, and there we go. You can see StockX promo coupon codes, so I'm just going to tap that to open it up. And this has been used lots and lots of times. You can see this is a 4.6 star rating from over 900 people. So it's verified working. I'm not sure why it's not rated 5 stars. I'm guessing someone's done something wrong and just decided to give it 1 star. But scroll down and you can see there are 2 codes that you can choose from here. There's a $100 off your next order at StockX, and there's also a 50% off your next order. So if you're doing a large order, the 50% off code will be more beneficial for you. But if you're doing a smaller order, then yeah, the $100 off code will be awesome. So in this scenario, I'm going to be choosing the $100 off StockX coupon code. So tap on the show coupon code button, and you can see this just verifies you chose the $100 off StockX coupon code, and you can see it's given part of the code. We need to unlock the full code, so it's pretty easy. Just press this unlock now button, and we need to pass this quick verification. This basically verifies you're a real person and not a robot looking to steal the codes. So you just follow these steps on this page. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers listed below. And you can see there is a bunch of sort of surveys and applications here. You just have to choose 2 of them, guys, and fully complete them. So I'm going to click on this one, which is a survey. Just answer whatever questions it asks here. Pretty easy. And I have to input my email address. So I'm going to do 2 of these. So I'm going to choose this Amazon Prime trial. So I just need to start like a trial on Amazon Prime here. So I need to just complete 2 of these, guys, and I'll do these off camera because I need to input my email address and what have you. So I'll be back in a second and we'll see if it gives me the code. Okay, guys, so as discussed, I just finished both of those tasks. Pretty easy, took me a minute or 2. You just have to make sure you fully complete them, and if you're doing a survey, just input your information, your actual information, guys, because this does verify you're actually a real person. So now when you've done those, I'm just going to press the tap button on the iPhone and Safari. It's down on the bottom right, and go back to Hotshot Codes, and you can see it's now given me my unique and personal coupon code for $100 off my next order on StockX. That is how easy it is to do, guys. You simply have to follow these steps. It takes a couple of minutes and you're going to be saving yourself $100. Pretty easy. This works worldwide, so although it says dollars, it will just transfer to your local currency. And you have to go to hotshotcodes.com to get your StockX promo code. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please hit the like button. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. I'll be willing to help everyone out who needs it. Enjoy, and let me know what you purchased from StockX. Peace out.